Hello everyone! Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to register for AlgoQueen on ICPC Portal. If you already have an ICPC account, you can directly use the link shared with you via email. To see the registration process for existing ICPC users, skip ahead to the timestamp shown on the screen. If you're new to the ICPC Portal, continue watching from the beginning. We'll guide you through completing your registration process. Let's get started. Open your web browser and visit the ICPC Global website. Click on Sign Up, then enter your registered email address and create a password. A verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the verification code to activate your account. Once your account has been created, sign in using your credentials and complete your personal details. Next, open the registration link that was shared with you via email and log in using the same ICPC account credentials. After logging in, click the Register button located below the See Teams section. You will now be redirected to the registration page. Click Register as a contestant and coach. Complete the remaining steps to successfully finish your ICPC AlgoQueen registration. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your AlgoQueen registration on the ICPC Portal. We hope this tutorial has made the registration process clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching.